Is gold the new bet? 17 years ago, a handful of maverick traders made a bold and winning bet on the collapse of a booming real estate market few saw coming. Some of those same traders are now buying gold. Why? Economic uncertainty means you have to keep up with what's happening. Make sure you subscribe and we'll keep you in the know. Many people may be familiar with The Big Short, the highly successful book and film about the infamous money managers who successfully wagered on the historic collapse of the housing market in 2007. It was that event which proved to be the trigger of what became the global financial crisis. Just days ago, Danny Moses, Vincent Daniel, and Porter Collins, three of the figures featured in The Big Short, were reunited on CNBC's Fast Money television show. And during their appearance, host Melissa Lee asked about their highest conviction trades right now. Collins wasted no time answering. "You wouldn't expect me to pitch a conventional idea," he began, "and it's gold." Collins, who today runs a hedge fund with Vincent Daniel, then explained their rationale. "We have this dollar debasement thesis," Collins continued. "If you think about the world we live in, we hate the deficits. It's $1 trillion of debt we're adding every 100 days. It's too much." Right now, there appears to be no end to deficit spending and deficit accumulation that Collins and others point to as reasons to buy gold. In June, the relentless pace of government spending forced the Congressional Budget Office to revise by 30% higher a deficit projection made just 4 months prior. Also in June, the monthly Treasury statement revealed that 3 of every $4 received in individual income tax that month effectively went to service the national debt. A national debt, by the way, that just surpassed $35 trillion for the first time in history. Collins implied that fiscal outlook is so concerning that a position in gold opened on that basis could remain viable for many years to come. I think in 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 years, you're going to make more money in gold than you would in U.S. Treasuries, and I think that's just not changing. I just don't think Americans have enough gold in their portfolios. Fellow Big Short success Danny Moses indicated to Fast Money that he retains a bullish outlook on gold as well, revealing he also has a large long position in the metal currently. Michael Burry and John Paulson, who were also featured in The Big Short, made significant commitments to gold recently. According to a regulatory filing a few months ago, Burry allocated about $8 million of a total $100 million portfolio to gold. Paulson made a more substantial commitment, allocating nearly 30% of a roughly $1.45 billion portfolio to the metal. Like Collins, Paulson also suggested gold could have lasting power as a fiscal hedge, saying that gold will appreciate versus the dollar over a 3, 5, and 10-year basis. In a volatile economy like we are experiencing now, people turn to gold as a safe haven asset. Hedge fund managers are looking for big multiples, so I find it very interesting that these smart investors who made a ton during the real estate crash are now betting on gold. What does it all mean? Only time will tell. That's why I suggest you take the time to learn more about what's really going on in the economy by attending our exclusive one-on-one web conference at AugustaPreciousMetals.com/webconference.